Hey Gattu, what will we play in the garden today?
Even I am unable to figure out what games we are going to play. Hari, I am completely bored with cricket and badminton. Yes, we should do something new and exciting, right?
Just then Bunty says,
Oh yes friends, do you guys know we played a really exciting game last week at my cousin's birthday party.
Really?
What's that, Bunty?
Sweet versus spicy challenge.
Hearing this, all the children become curious.
Tell us in detail, Bunty. What happens in it? Look, I'll tell you right now, friends. Listen carefully. Wow, this is interesting. Then it's decided. We'll play this game today. Yay!
Coming back from school, all the children come to the garden in the evening.
Bingo, don't go too far. Come on then, friends. Let's start the sweet versus spicy challenge.
Yes, Chinky. Then who's going to start first? Me. Okay then, fine.
As soon as the round begins, Gattu starts the anchoring.
So friends, round 1 of the sweet versus spicy challenge has begun. With the mighty Hari on one side and Potshot Monty on the other side.
Everyone starts laughing at Gattu's words.
What did you say? Potshot Monty?
Hey Gattu, why did you name me like that, huh?
Oh, actually Monty, nothing else came to my mind. Sorry. Let's start again. Mighty Hari and marvelous Monty. Now is this fine, right?
Huh, better.
Okay then. There are 2 surprise items kept in front of you. Both of you have to choose one from them and then we'll see who gets what. Spicy or sweet?
I want this.
Okay then. As soon as I count to 3, you guys remove the surprise cloth and see who gets which food item.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Monty and Hari remove their respective cloths and are shocked when they see the food items that are kept in front of them.
What? This is Karela spicy chips? No. And I got bubblegum flavored candy, which is my favorite. Yay! Monty, now you quickly eat these special spicy bitter Karela chips and 3 bites are compulsory. What did you say? 3 bites? Not just 3 bites. I'll eat the whole candy.
Huh, I don't want to play.
It is not okay, Monty. If you don't eat, you will lose the challenge for sure.
Monty gets really encouraged after hearing Bunty's words.
Okay, now you will see what marvelous Monty does.
Monty picks up a chip and tries to eat it with his eyes completely closed.
It is so bad, but marvelous Monty won't give up.
Monty eats all 3 chips one by one and then quickly puts the entire packet
They
aside.
were awful, but I am not the one going to give up. Looks like Bingo didn't like these spicy Karela chips either. Come on, it's Goody and Bunty's turn. Yes, now our 2 candidates are the great Goody and the brilliant Bunty. I will take this one. And I will take this. It looks like there's a drink in it. I hope I get sweet mango drink. We'll find that out soon, Goody. Okay then. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
At Gattu's command, Bunty and Goody remove the cloth from their drinks. There was a green drink in front of Goody and a yellow one in front of Bunty.
Hey Goody, it seems like I got your mango drink.
Bunty doesn't even wait for Goody and quickly drinks his mango drink.
My challenge is complete.
But I don't know what it is. Hope it is not bitter gourd juice. Drink it, Goody. Who knows? It might taste good. Oh yes, Gattu brought this thing. He definitely knows what it is.
Goody takes a sip with curiosity and then laughs and says,
Wow, this isn't bitter gourd juice, but spicy and delicious Golgappa water. It's too tasty and yummy. I am enjoying it. Spicy isn't that bad.
Everyone laughs at Goody's words.
Come on, Gattu Chinky, it's your turn now. I hope I get sweets because my spice tolerance is very low. Everyone knows this, Chinky. You can't even eat a chili.
You are right. Okay, I am going to anchor for Gattu Chinky. So friends, now it's the turn of Buddy Chinky and Gangster Gattu. What, Hari? I am not a gangster. Yes, that's true, Gattu, but it's not that bad. Let's get started.
Goody places surprise items in front of both of them. But as Gattu and Chinky remove the cloths,
Hey, what's Bingo doing? Come here, Bingo. Oh no, Chinky has spicy vada pav on her side and I have sweet gulab jamun. I'll quickly change it because Chinky won't be able to eat it at all. It makes her face turn red too.
and as soon as Chinky looks in front of him, Gattu exchanges the item before she can. Bingo also comes running back.
Hey Bingo, don't go now. Stay here with us. Come on, eat your food items. Wow, I got sweet gulab jamun. And I got my favorite vada pav. Let's eat.
Both Gattu and Chinky happily eat their food items and complete their challenge. Seeing this, everyone starts clapping.
Yay, we all completed the challenge. And it was so much fun. I bought these homemade special chocolate muffins so that everyone can eat some sweets in the end. Wow, muffins!